team captain and back. He is our vice captain. He helps us. He is friendly to us. In our team, our basic is we have to learn something. So I am a first year. They are helping me to do this. They can, instead of me, they can give introduction. But they are expressing me to do this. So I am getting exposed to everybody. I love this electricity. So I interested and started this thing. To clear cut, we are not recruiting anybody. We plan to do with only EEE students this year. Next year, when my seniors or second years or when I am leading team, we will get everybody. But this year, we are going to do only with this EEE students. So our recruitment is over. Actually, we are going to talk about. My captain will talk about these other stuffs. What is the function of our vehicle and the other stuffs. This ISIE India. I have to talk about this definitely. We are going for this competition only. It's going to be in Buddha Stadium at Noida. We are going there. Our college is supporting us to do that. And there we have a special thing. 7 students from a team get selected and posted in their groups where they get more exposed to their other people. I mean the IT companies or core companies like Tata, Mahindra will see their pages and they will recruit you. When next year we go there, we will get that opportunity. Now we are not, previous students will get that. In the next year you will get that.
So I am Rameshwar, captain of Fofona team, Fofona Racing from EEE, and vice captain Adikeshwar from EEE, non-technical Jivita from EEE, and Mariander manager came from EEE. So same like that, same like these guys, they are recruiting you. I have my own team for such event. I think my teammate Harikrishnan has explained you that ISIE India. Did it? Okay, so that is the event we are participating now. But there are many events for electrical section. Let's maintenance. Okay. What is the maintenance? That first service for a vehicle, that IC engine vehicle. The range, first range. I think it is 1,000. 1,000 kilometers. After first 1,000, you have to give your vehicle to the maintenance, right? So that's what it means. In electric vehicle, if you are using an electric vehicle, if someone is using, you for front loader using, they will have very less maintenance. The maintenance will be from mechanical side, like brake issue, brake bud, worn out, RX lights, tire gone. So like that only issues will be there. But from the electrical side, there will be no much issues. So that's what it is maintenance. Less complex. What does that mean? So I don't have anything like clutch, I don't have anything like gears, I don't have anything like engine. Okay? So you guys will have a facing like laptop like engine chassis. Engine chassis. It happens, right? Happens, right? So that problem is there, not there in my electrical.
This is our team's logo. So we are going for the details I explained you that. What are the major parts of electric vehicle? Then you go through these other steps and all, these power electronic controller, transmission battery pack, these steps, you are getting any uses about it? Alright, okay. Then we will start from first battery now. Okay, these are the types of batteries, the major types. But in our day-to-day life, what are all we are using from it? From this battery. Okay. Okay. Then this coin battery, where we are using it? What is? What's the other stuff? In this, which is efficient? Why? No, from the inside we get these are the reasons. First of all, it is expensive, but the discharge speed of electron is very high, which is required in electric vehicles to increase the speed in instance of time. The other reasons are long time. Lithium ion is used for long time. And what is the updated version of battery? Now, in this year we got some updated from Indian government. A new type of battery has been produced. Nuclear. Do you guys know anything about it? There is a type of battery has been invented in Delhi by NPIT technology. It's called sodium battery, which replaces this lithium ion. In this lithium ion, we have a shortage of the lithium, the core materials in this world. So this NPIT technologies have innovated that sodium ion, which is eligible. We are getting it much cheaper, and it does not affect our involved. These. Do you guys know this? Heads of motors. In that, this type, you already know about it. Okay. These are major types. The summer also is this, but these are the major types. The usage will be, I will show next slide, but these are the basics. So, you are interested to know the mechanisms. You know these mechanisms. First, I go for synchronous. What is the purpose of synchronous? Synchronous motor. The basic synchronous motors works on the principle of magnetic field speed is equal to the speed of rotor. This is mechanism the synchronous work. While in the synchronous motor, the coil inside the stator also. This will produce magnetic field inside, and the outer stator coil will produce the magnetic field outside, which integrate with its polarities and form in synchronous. Synchronous means in logic circuitry rate 1001, like that it will be 1110, 1110. In that way, magnetic flux of this rotor density matches and it works in the speed. This induction motor is the basic motor invented by Einstein, which only works on the principle of magnetic field. The inner stator is not bounded by any coils here. Okay, only the outer stator is coil. The inner is only metal. Due to the outer magnetic field, this inner rotor will rotate. This is the basic, literally a basic motor invented by Einstein more than 100 years. Now these the other motors are being invented from this. This is the basic for it, and these two are AC generators. This synchronous motor is also called as PMSM, permanent magnetic synchronous motor, where the DC and this AC connect mutually perpendicular to it. In the next slide, I will explain this. This table explains you the difference between these two. Why are you? First of all, in every vehicle they use only synchronous, because the induction motor. Why we use induction motor? Yeah, it is also right. Motor we will use in general home purpose. A single phase, two phase, or three phase electric motor will be use induction. The synchronous is basically used in high efficient cases and in electric field. This synchronous motor can also work as an alternator also. Here, what is meant by alternator? No, it's not like that. Alternator is a thing which regenerates electricity. It can be, it will be only in AC, it will not be in DC. What? DC means the coil circuit. Basically, we will view it in AC. Okay, wow. This synchronous motor is being used in electric vehicles to regenerate electricity. The regenerative braking system you have learned, right? Okay? You have gone through it, regenerative braking system. Answer. Regenerative braking system. In this case only we are using regenerative braking system. When you apply a brake, the stator magnetic field will be stopped, but the rotor will rotate. Okay, when the brake is applied, the stator magnetic field will be stopped, but the rotor will be upright. So the inverse current will be produced. That inverse current is converted using inverter by the inverter to recharge the batteries. Okay. this is something about DC motors. This stuff you will, I think you have been learned it from 9th standard itself, but still I will tell about this. This best commutated DC motor. The DC motor is the stuff where two magnetic poles are being in the ground, which works as a stator here, and the 6-pole electric coil rotor has been used as a stator here. By changing the polarities, and the brush will be here. So this is called brushes. These two are the brushes where we can change the polarities from positive to negative, which makes the motor to rotate in a positive direction or reverse direction. The brushless motor, the brush will be down there. See, the concept will be changed. Magnet will be comes inside. See, north and south magnet will be in between. The coils will be wound up. That works on the principle of magnetic field. This also works on the principles of magnetic field, but the magnet is different here. We are using a circular magnet, but there is a wide angle magnet. His question was right. He is asking for which one is better, brushed motor or BLDC brushless. In electric vehicle, we use brushless due to its efficiency is right, and the thing is, its speed does not depend on the weight. Okay, wow. How much load you give, it works on the same speed, or it will break down. That's it. This is an important and the life to day-to-day life. Different types of electric vehicles. This is called different types of electric vehicle. You have gone through it. BHV, battery electric vehicle, which runs only on the electricity. The batteries will be charged and then it will discharge and the motor will run and we will move the vehicle. That is the PVS. This plug-in hybrid electric. In this only we will use the PMSM motor. I said right, it will work also as an alternator. This is the thing which we use in that both PHEVS and this non-plug-in hybrid. In that second one, PHEVS, we can fuel it by petrol or some diesel, but still you can recharge them. Both will be there. Combustion engine, an electric motor, battery and a fuel tank. So that is called plug-in hybrid vehicle. This fuel cell vehicle. This word fuel cell you have gone through here somewhere. Fuel cell. First years from 12, we learned somewhere right. Matriculation syllabus. Fuel cell. In chemistry we will read it fuel cells. That means hydrogen oxygen fuel cell and nitrogen summer fuel cells are there. This fuel cell is commonly used as hydrogen. Okay, wow. First we will fill the hydrogen tank and it will be placed in this vehicle. It will from that it will take that oxygen will be inside. The fuel cell will be generate some electricity and it will work on that. This plug-in hybrid vehicle, only you can put fuel. You cannot charge. Okay, it will charge itself when it's running a petrol. The motor will, the PMSM motor will work as a generator to it, and then it will charge the battery. From that battery source, you can travel up to 70 to 80 kilometers. Again, you should fill up petrol and start charging it. You cannot charge it from outer side with that cord or some other thing. Actually, this is why this plug-in hybrid vehicle, many plug-in vehicles are used now. Then in India now it's a situation that we don't have charging points. So in that case it is very useful. We are not having any charging points. Right? So we are traveling to a long distance. Take it as Ooty, some other way for long distance. For till 400 kilometers you will use this petrol. After that, in that distance, 100 kilometers you can do it in electric. So it's concept that 100 kilometers fuel cost will be saved. So that plug-in vehicles are used. Okay, bro. This advantages. Now I said right. These are that is my Captain Kamesh was this. So what are the advantages and disadvantages? Estimates. This is the tariff calculation for electric vehicle and petrol vehicle. I see what the Astra was making. See, when we buying a vehicle for 85,000 a year, 1 lakh here. The initial cost is high in electric vehicles due to its lack of components here. Then fuel something so 1 lakh 25,000 here just 80,000. But for per kilometer we can take it as 1 rupees 18 paise for a normal electric IC engine, but for electric vehicle it's just 0.4 paise, 0.4 paise for 1 kilometer. See the difference, more than 10 times it will be the difference. So this only this difference is available here. And this, see, first of all, here 20% depreciation. With this, it has 85% possible. Same with this maintenance cost. In IC engines, after 1,000 kilometers, we will give for maintenance, right? In Himalaya and the other stuff and all, after 1,000 kilometers, some problems also came. They again get the vehicle and they have changed some issues. So the maintenance cost is also different, and the resale value. See, 34,000, 25,000. But actually, we cannot sell for 25,000 because the battery efficiency will be less after the 3 years. So actually, we can't sell that electric vehicle in seconds. Basically, you can change the battery and use it, or change the battery and sell it for more cost than this, like 50,000 or 60,000. Still, it is possible for us. And the estimated cost, full ownership, 1,86,000. For that seat, just 99,000. Okay, after the initial cost also. So this is the 50% you are saving. When you see this, it's just a simple what are 50% difference, right? But see how much 80,000 difference. If you invest this 80,000 in some other thing, like in trading or some other thing, you will get much returns than this. So basic of cost in this ICC. So only India government is sponsoring much this EVs. Okay, wow. Thank you for this. That's my team's Instagram ID. You can scan it and follow us to get more updates to it.